Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Insaf Islamic Foundation's YouTube channel. I'm your guide on this journey, keen to shed light on a critical topic, healthcare initiatives in rural communities. Today we delve into the inspiring world of healthcare initiatives making a difference in rural communities. Rural communities often face unique healthcare challenges, from limited resources to geographical barriers. Imagine living miles away from the nearest doctor or lacking the transportation to reach a hospital. These are realities many rural residents grapple with daily, emphasizing the critical need for innovative healthcare solutions. Telemedicine, mobile clinics, and local health worker programs are just some of the ways we're bridging this gap. Despite these challenges, inspiring initiatives are making a significant impact. Across the globe, we witness a surge in healthcare initiatives dedicated to rural communities. Let's shine a light on a few standouts. Telemedicine is one such initiative, using technology to provide healthcare services remotely. It's revolutionizing access to medical advice in areas where doctors are scarce. Then we have mobile clinics, dynamic health hubs on wheels, reaching out to the farthest corners, offering essential medical services right on people's doorsteps. And let's not forget the training of local community health workers. These are local heroes, equipped with knowledge and skills to serve their own communities, becoming the backbone of rural healthcare. These initiatives demonstrate that with innovation and dedication, we can bridge the healthcare gap in rural communities. The work being done to improve healthcare in rural communities is truly inspiring. We've delved into the importance of healthcare in these areas and spotlighted several initiatives making a significant impact. These efforts are not only improving individual lives, but also transforming entire communities. The power of healthcare accessibility cannot be overstated. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, every step towards improving healthcare access in rural communities makes a difference. Subscribe to Insaf Islamic Foundation for more enlightening content.